Hi traders, in this video I'm going to talk about how to fail at trading. And you must be wondering, did I make a mistake? Should I be talking about how to succeed at trading? The thing is, most of us have this awesome response to negative stimulus. Ever heard about the don't think about the pink elephant or don't think about the purple elephant? It's exactly the same. And as a matter of fact, if I tell you everything about how you can fail at trading, your mind is going to imagine these scenarios, and of course you don't want that, so you're going to find ways to instead succeed, to do the exact opposite. So don't forget to hit the like right now, subscribe to this channel, and let's go for it. So how to fail at trading? Number one, by not starting, by just trading imaginary numbers on a demo account. Number two, you don't verify your account and then you complain that you can't withdraw or the broker is not processing your withdrawal. Number three, you trade on shitty brokers. Worse, you trade on mirror sites of real brokers that you actually joined through some dating scam. Number four, you gamble instead of trade. For example, you can only go all in so many times. Number five, not having a strategy. Intuition is great, but systems are made to ensure performance even though the captain of the ship is absent. Number six, changing strategies all the time. You probably heard of the saying, fear not the man who knows 1,000 different kicks, but the man who's done the same kick 1,000 times. Number seven, never withdrawing. If you do not withdraw your winnings, you'll be convinced that it's not real. Number eight, trading compulsively. It's like electrical appliances. They break when you overuse it. So will your account. Number nine, trading for de-stress. Some people trade to feel certain things and not actually for winning. Number 10, trading even when you feel uncertain. Do not be your own victim. Number 11, letting others trade your account, or you could lose your money. So many ways to lose. Number 12, no consistency. Many losers scale when they win and downscale when they lose. Number 13, throwing more money at a losing strategy. You should fix the strategy or don't trade it. Number 14, trade at the bar. I've seen many people trade on their tablets at the bar. It's like trying to attract attention or impress other people who don't really care. Too drunk to care. Number 15, trading when you are drunk. Same thing. Number 16, trading when you are tired. You're gonna make dumb decisions when you don't know what you're doing. Number 17, trading when you have a spotty connection. Number 18, trading around news releases without knowing there are news releases. Number 19, following influencers who trade irresponsibly. Sounds pretty basic, right? I hope you're imagining along as we went. By the way, you're most welcome to probably remind yourself of some of the ones that spoke to you the most by writing them down in the comments. Now, let's talk about how to succeed at trading. Number one, start small, because there are lessons you will learn on live account that you will never learn on demo. Number two, verify early, preferably even before you deposit. Number three, trade on recommended brokers with history. That way, you will not lose. Number four, trade with method and discipline. Number five, develop a strategy, even a few. Number six, master one strategy first, then master another. Besides learning how to kick, you must also know how to punch, right? Number seven, withdraw often. Use it for something meaningful and develop a mental connection and attachment to your winnings. Number 8, trade with a cool head. If doing a few trades in a sitting is too tiring, then space it out, like 2 here, 2 there, and so on. Number 9, be serious about your trading. If your money is your army, you want to make sure you deploy them wisely. Number 10, don't trade when you don't feel good. You do not regret what you do not lose. Number 11, trade your account yourself. Number 12, be consistent in your trade sizes and money management. Number 13, take time to fix a strategy. The sooner you fix it, the further ahead of the pack you will be. Number 14, trade in environments that makes you feel your mental best. Number 15, trade when you are sober. Number 16, how about try trading in the mornings when you are fresh? Or if you absolutely have to do it after work, you can try to change your mental state by taking a cold shower or even an ice bath. Number 17, trade only with stable internet connection. And also, you might want to close any other programs that may slow your computer. Number 18, be aware of news releases through Forex Factory or TradingView or MyFXBook. Number 19, follow content on trading that makes sense, not what looks cool or sounds cool. At the end of everything, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and look at my other videos for more good content that help people succeed in trading. Thanks for listening in, and you're most welcome to share this with anyone you feel that could benefit from this. Thank you.